Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. Let's continue the video for topics simple molecules and covalent bonds. The learning outcomes for today's video include describe and explain in terms of structure and bonding the properties of simple molecular compounds, low melting points and boiling points in terms of weak intermolecular forces. Specific types of intermolecular forces are not required. Poor electrical conductivity. Now here are some properties of covalent compounds. Covalent molecules or compounds are gases, volatile liquids, and solids. They have very low melting boiling points or sublimes on heating. They are insoluble in water, mostly dissolves in organic solvents. They do not conduct electricity. For the solubility in water, there are few exceptions like hydrogen halides and ammonia. Covalent molecules or compounds are gases, volatile liquids, and solids. Now, what is the reason behind this? We have simple molecules with weak intermolecular forces between the molecules. Simple molecules with weak intermolecular forces. Between the molecules. We can even write molecules are attached with each other by covalent bonding. And you can write small amount of energy needed. Small amount of energy needed to break the force. Covalent compounds have very low melting boiling points or sublimes on heating. For the same reason which I have mentioned above, that simple molecules with weak intermolecular forces between the molecules or molecules are attached with each other by covalent bond. Small amount of energy needed to break the force. I am writing molecules are attached with each other by covalent bonding. Small amount of energy needed to break the force. Covalent molecules and compounds do not conduct electricity because this does not contain free or mobile electrons. Does not contain free or mobile electrons. No exceptions. There are some exceptions. Exceptions include ammonia, and hydrogen halides. These, when dissolved in water, become good conductors of electricity. Hydrogen halides are compounds of hydrogen and halogen. Compounds of hydrogen and halogen. In summary, covalent molecules or compounds are gases, volatile liquids, and solids. Covalent molecules or compounds have very low melting boiling points or sublimes on heating. Covalent molecules and compounds are insoluble in water. Most of the covalent molecules and compounds dissolve in organic solvents. Covalent molecules and compounds do not conduct electricity. Thanks for watching. Press like, give comments, and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.